Hey guys, gonna go ahead and open up this Black & Decker portable air conditioner slash heater combo unit, 14,000 BTU ASHRAE and 7,500 BTU by DOE test standards. The unit actual model number is right here, BPACT14HWT. I believe the one without heat is just 4WT. So this is with heat. I'm going to be installing it in my garage here. It is a 3-car garage, so this unit will probably be too small for this amount of square footage. We're probably at around 900 square feet in this whole area, but the area I'm working here in my little office space, so this should be enough to provide conditioning and heating for summer and winter here in California. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Alright, so we got this Black & Decker air conditioner heating unit connected in the garage to the outside hose that's a vent cap. The things that came with it was basically this extender hose and window mounts, which we're not using, but we had to purchase this flange adapter. That's this little interior one that's 5 inches, and they have one on Amazon that's counterclockwise or clockwise. And then there's an extender metal tube in between the walls that we cut and purchased from Home Depot. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the outside, how that works. So here's the outdoor cap that we installed. So it's basically like a vent cap. Just make sure it's also 5 inches in diameter or 6, depending on whatever your AC unit needs. So this is how it looks. It's open and it just lets all the hot air out or the cold air out, depending on if you're using the AC or heat mode. This thing is actually made of plastic. But looks like it's gonna hold up. It's like a durable poly plastic. So I'll leave the link in the description below as well. We had our uncle install it, and he had the correct tools to cut out the hole in the walls. So it may or may not be complicated, depending on if you could hire somebody or find somebody that can do it. It's been running for about an hour and a half. It's actually going to be around 105 degrees in Sacramento today. Really hot outside, so this is a perfect time for me to have this thing. Usually it hits over 100, maybe around 6 to 8 times in the summer. So I definitely feel a difference walking into the garage compared to the outside already. It's at least a 15 to 20 degree drop. And I think if I keep it running all day, then it will definitely fill this whole place up to make it much more cooler. So there are 4 modes on here. There's cool, which is the air conditioner. There's a dehumidifier. There's a fan, and there is a heat mode. In between the modes, especially AC and heat, it takes maybe like 5 minutes to switch over to the heat unit coils for them to basically turn on. There are multiple fan speeds, low, medium, high, and I think there's even like a auto, obviously on and off button. And then there's the controls for the temperature of the actual AC. So right now 64 is the lowest, and it feels pretty cool. It's actually really nice. So this thing does have these blind type flaps that go up and down pretty easily, and it actually does adjust it very well. Also, there's some wheels on the unit. That's actually super heavy. It's maybe about 50-60 pounds. So just being able to move it back and forth in this even little directions is super helpful. The heat mode I tried as well. It just switches over the mode option, and once the coils kick in, it's actually super hot. So I'll be enjoying that during the winter. It does get cold here also. We get temperatures around 30, can get temperatures to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to mention that this uses just a standard 3-pin prong outlet. So you just plug it right into your wall and be good to go. I bought a 10-foot cable to reach the outlet. There's also reset buttons on here to turn it on and off. And I know they did include a little tube for behind the unit for the water to evaporate or go into a pan, but I know this is self-evaporating, so I'll see how that goes. And if I see like water leaking out or anything, then maybe I'll add the tube and pan. But so far, I haven't needed it. Overall, I'm very much surprised how strong this unit is for the price tag. Pretty inexpensive. Wasn't too difficult to install. A couple hours if you have the right tools. And arrived quickly, packaged well on Amazon. They have a 4-year warranty, I believe, on the parts, 1 year just regular manufacturer warranty. So maybe I'll do another video in about 6 months to a year, updating you guys on if this thing is still working just as good. And we'll keep an eye out on the electric bill. Maybe can update you guys on that as well to see how much that has changed. So that's my quick review of the Black & Decker BPACT14HWT AC heating unit. Hope it was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And thanks for watching.